Welcome to this Delft Stack tutorial video. In today's video, we'll learn how to zoom in and zoom out in Safari on your MacBook. This is useful if text looks too small, web pages are difficult to read, or you simply want a more comfortable browsing experience. Let's start with the fastest method. If you are using a MacBook trackpad, you can zoom in and out using simple gestures. Place 2 fingers on the trackpad and move them apart to zoom in. To zoom back out, place 2 fingers on the trackpad and pinch them together. This works similarly to zooming on an iPhone and is one of the quickest ways to adjust web page size while browsing. Another easy method is using keyboard shortcuts. Hold the Command key on your keyboard and press the plus key to zoom in. To zoom out, keep holding Command and press the minus key. Every time you press these keys, Safari will increase or decrease the zoom level of the current web page. If you want to quickly return the page back to normal size, press Command plus 0, and Safari will reset the zoom back to 100%. If this video is helping you so far, please like the video and subscribe to Delft Stack for more quick Mac and iPhone tutorials. Now let's look at how to permanently change zoom settings for websites in Safari. Move to the top menu bar, click Safari, and choose Settings. Then switch to the Websites tab. On the left sidebar, scroll down and click Page Zoom. Here you'll see websites that already have custom zoom settings applied. For example, if one website is zoomed to 125%, you can select it and click Remove to reset it back to the default size. At the bottom right corner, you'll also see an option called When Visiting Other Websites. This lets you set a default zoom level for all websites you open in Safari. You can choose values like 125%, 150%, or even higher if you prefer larger text and web pages automatically. Once selected, Safari will apply that zoom level to new websites you visit. And that's it. You now know how to zoom in, zoom out, reset zoom, and change default zoom settings in Safari on your MacBook. Thanks for watching this Delft Stack tutorial video.